Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you one story from your English textbook. That is The Lost Love. But before we start, children, let me tell you one thing, that you have to open your English textbook, lesson number 3, The Lost Love, on page number 70. And children, when I'll read the book, you have to also concentrate in the textbook where I'm reading. So let's start. Children, in this story, there is an animal, hyena, lost his love and he became very sad. He is trying to find his love with the help of other animals. And at the end of the story, one of his friends helps him to find his love back. So let's start. Let's see how hyena get his love back. Lesson 3, The Lost Love. Children, you also repeat after me, okay? Hyena was very sad. He had lost his love. So, hyena went to giraffe. Please help me find my love, giraffe, he said. Giraffe lifted her long neck and looked around the treetops. I can't hear a laugh up here. Hyena, she said. Now children, here hyena is an animal. He is very sad, and I already told you that hyena is a wild animal that looks like a dog. He was very sad because he lost his love. So he asked one of his friend, giraffe, that, will you please help me to find it? Will you please help me to find my lost love? He was asking to his friend giraffe. And the giraffe, what giraffe replied? You all know that giraffe is having a long neck. So giraffe told, she could not hear his laughter among the treetops. Means she was unable to look over the top of the trees. He was unable to see, unable to look where is hyena's love. Now this hyena became again sad. He went to his another friend. Let's see. Look it in your book, children. Then hyena saw hippo swimming in the lake. Please help me find my love, hippo, he said. Hippo looked in the water. I can't hear a laugh down here, she said. Children, here, you all know hippo, hippopotamus? Yes. So, hippo is hyena's another friend. Hyena asked to hippo. Hippo was swimming in the lake. Hyena asked him that, will you please find my love? I lost it. Hippo is saying, actually hippo was swimming in the lake. Hippo looked in the water and said, no, I can't hear your laugh. I could not hear your laugh in the water. Again hyena became sad. Now hyena went to his another friend. Now see, look it in the book, children. Hyena went to elephant next. Please help me find my love, elephant, he said. Elephant flapped his big ears and listened carefully. I can't hear your laugh anywhere in the jungle, Hyena. Children, you all know elephant is having big ears. In this line, flapped. Elephant flapped his big ears. Flapped means moved something up and down quickly. So elephant waved his ears about to listen carefully that what Hyena is saying. Hyena told that will you please help me to find my laugh back? I lost it. So elephant waved his ears about to listen carefully what Hyena is saying and told that Hyena, I could not hear your laugh. Now, dear children, Hyena again became sad. Finally, he went to his another friend. Now, see what is written in the book. Finally, Hyena went to Monkey. Please help me find my laugh, Monkey, he said. How did you lose it, Hyena? Asked Monkey, swinging from a branch. Here, Monkey, he asked to finally one of his friend Monkey, that I lost it. Then Monkey is saying, how did you lose it? He was jumping from swinging from one branch to another branch. You all have seen Monkey? How Monkey is jumping? So Monkey was also swinging in the branch and asking to Hyena, how did you lose it? Now, in the book you see, when I laughed, everyone saw my big teeth. They got scared, said Hyena. So they ran away. They made me sad. So my laugh disappeared. Here, children, when Monkey asked Hyena, how did you lose your laugh? Then he said that the other animals frightened to see his teeth. When he was laughing, other animals they got frightened after looking his big teeth. And they became sad, they frightened, they scared. Scared means they all frightened and they ran away. So because of this, he lost his laugh disappeared and he lost his laugh. Then Monkey said, just see what is written in the book. Then you are looking for it. In the wrong place, said Monkey. He jumped down from the tree and picked up a feather. Then he began to tickle Hyena all over. Slowly, Hyena started to smile. And then he let out a big, loud laugh. He laughed and laughed until he was rolling around on the ground. Here, children, Monkey was very clever. He knew that Hyena was not laughing because he was sad. He actually frightened other animals with his laughter. He knew that this was the reason that Hyena laughs was hiding inside him and would come out if Hyena was happy. So what he did? Monkey, he picked one feather and began to tickle Hyena all over his body. Slowly, do you know what is the meaning of tickled? If someone touch you lightly in a way that makes you laugh, you know, children? So like that only, Monkey tickled with the help of feather in all over his body, Hyena's body. Slowly, Hyena started to smile, and then Hyena started smiling, and then started laughing. He laughed loud, laughed until he was rolling around on the ground. He rolled on the ground with laughter. Now children, see another page. On page 19, what is written? All the other animals heard Hyena's laugh. They came running. Where did you find his laugh? They asked Monkey. His laugh was inside him all at the time. I just made him happy and it came out. The other animals were happy to hear this. So they laughed and laughed so that their teeth showed too. I'll never lose my laugh again, said Hyena happily. After listening his laugh, other animals, they asked Monkey that from where did you find his laugh? Monkey said, whatever it is, it was hiding inside him only. I made him happy. I know that it will come out if he'll feel happy. So later on, all the animals, they also feel very happy for Hyena, and they also laughed very loudly. They laughed with him, showing their teeth. They all showing their teeth and laughing. And later on, Hyena also seen that other animals are also laughing with him. So Hyena understood that other animals will not be scared to his teeth while he is laughing. And Hyena promised himself that he will never lose his laugh again, and he'll be happy forever. Children, in this story, Hyena is the main character who is in trouble. Okay, he was in trouble. He was feeling very sad because he lost his laugh. And the other animals like giraffe, hippo, elephant and monkey, these are his friends. Like giraffe, hippo, elephant, they all helped him. They tried. But at last, monkey is the friend. He helped him to get his laugh back. Children, we should never stop our laugh. We have to always laugh. We have to be always happy. Okay, we have learned from this lesson that we have to always feel happy. We never stop laughing. Okay, very good children. I think you have understood. I'll try my best. If you have any doubt, you ask me. And children, today this is your homework, that you read this lesson, read this chapter story 2 or 3 times with the correct pronunciation loudly. Okay? And tomorrow we will do the exercise. Goodbye children. Thank you.